Welcome, Pramod, welcome. Yes, at the time of software testing, before going to software testing, I want to discuss about software. Generally, two types of softwares are there. System software, application software. System software and what is the application software? Do you know system software means you can purchase any laptop by default, hardware components are available. If you want Java, Selenium, any software, OS is required. That's why this is also called as BIOS. What we can call BIOS. BIOS means basic input and output system. Yes. If you want to install any software, voice is required. If you want to connect to a net, Wi-Fi drivers is required. Internet drivers, everything is required. Yes or no? Yeah, BIOS. Yes, very good, very good, very good, Vishwajit. So these are provide interface among system components. Example, device drivers, OS, all are comes under system softwares. Because without system software, we won't do anything. Yes, Pramod. Heartily welcome to Durgasoft, Pramod. Can you hear me, my voice, Pramod? Pramod, where are you from, Pramod? Pramod, can you hear me? Please respond. Can you hear me, Pramod? Hello. Sir, go on. Okay, okay, one second, please switch. I am going. It's audible. Yeah, fine. Pramod, where are you from? No, I am audible. Okay, Vishwajit, 1 second, please. Pramod, can you hear me? Yeah, Pramod, where are you from? You are from Hyderabad only. Okay, very nice. Yeah. I think maybe you are not a kid. Maybe you are not completed graduation, B.Tech or something. My expectations. So maybe I think you are not a kid. You are completed maybe graduation or something. You are. No. Because see, sometimes the problem is maybe net problem issue. Something problems will come. Just now you are messaging na. What message you are telling? What institute is doing to you? Any harmful or something doing to you? Institute? Institute not doing anything for you na? Please tell. We are coming for to learn the subject. Okay na? Yeah, you are facing problem from what? See, if I am telling course, okay na, 15 days after 30 days, immediately are you getting job? We are waiting na. We are all already maybe you are already working somewhere else. You said that me previously. See, in the 10th class or intermediate or degree, if you are complete at that time, okay, we are kids, okay, completing everything. Okay na. Sometimes issues are coming. Because online, GoToMeeting. That too, it is a free. Am I using GoToMeeting? See, am I telling any policies? No, no. Something issues will come. For that, you are telling, okay, your wish, that is, okay. Yeah. So system software is called as a BIOS and output system. These are provided whenever I purchase any laptop, hardware components are available. If you want to install any software, compulsory to install OS. Without OS, I won't do anything. If you want to use internet, Wi-Fi drivers are required. Internet. What about the application software? Wow. Application software means front end. See, front end means what we are seeing. For example, if you want to go to this, if you open Google, everyone using Google, Gmail, Facebook, anything. Yes, what we are seeing, front end application. Maybe it's a Facebook, maybe it's a Gmail application. Do you know application contains two that is front end and back end. Any application, front end is there, back end is there. Sir, whenever you can go to any movie, on screen, hero, villain, comedy, but background, so many people are there. Producer, actor, choreographer, makeup man, like that. So to develop any front-end application, there are different technologies there, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. To develop backend database, SQL Server, Oracle, like that. Same like that. Front-end application is whatever we want to see. Example, Google. If I'm seeing front-end, it is a Google. If you want to go to SpiceJet, yes, that is one application, front-end application. That is called as a front-end. Yes. So application software is nothing but this is also called as a front-end application. These are developed based on user business needs, whereas front end is used to manipulate data into database. Yes. See, if you can take any application, if you want to insert data, I want to delete data, I want to update, where we can use by using front end only. Backend means database. If you don't know database, no problem. Collection of tables. If you want to insert some records, where I can store in the backend database only, in the form of the tables. So before going to software testing, two types of softwares are the only SQL. Yes, very good, Shavankar. Not only SQL, so many are there. SQL, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, Sybase. Nowadays, MongoDB. So many are there, Shubhankar. So many are there. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Those are all called as a backend databases. So to develop any application, do you know in the again web application? Sorry. Again in application, Yes, whatever the application software. Do you know anyone having idea? Different types of applications. Yes, desktop applications, desktops, web applications, enterprise applications. Very good, Pramod. Distributed applications, mobile applications. Fine. One more is there embedded systems. Not dealing about embedded. Is dealing the embedded applications. We can deal with a web, enterprise, distributed, and a mobile. Very good. First of all, what is a desktop? Everyone knows about that. Desktop applications. Please tell what is a desktop application, because nowadays everyone using the laptop systems, everything. This is also called as a standalone. Yes, both are same. Desktop or standalone. Nothing but, do you know the applications which are running in a single computer within the very good Varun calculator, excellent. MS Paint, MS Word, Excel file, all are standard. Because the applications which are running on a single computer called as standalone applications. Do you know there are two types of applications are there? Anyone please tell? CUI and GUI. What is CUI and what is the GUI? What is the CUI and what is the GUI? Sir, before going to testing Hema and Renuka and Varun Vinay Kumar, they're all the technologies only, because already Pramod, Subhankar, they're all the experienced guys. Parsuram, all are. Bishwajit. Okay, now that's why I'm not telling their names. Okay, user enter. But what about CUI, Parsuram? CUI, very good. CUI. What is CUI? You don't know, na? Very good. Character interface, Parsuram. I don't know what computer knowledge as I am a mechanical engineer. No. Are my Hunana Vishwajit. If you don't know anything, I will make you a software posting area. Don't bother about. Okay, na? My Huna. I will make you a professional in the testing area. Don't bother about that. Sir, CUI means the applications which are running through console. The applications which are running through console. These apps also called as console apps. This example, if you know Java, if you know Python, those are the best examples for console. Sir, command prompt, sir, command prompt. Example, any Java program. See, console means CMD. Everyone have the command prompt. Yes. See this command prompt. See in the command prompt if you run any program. Example, maybe 1 second. I have see py. So I am running Python program. Yes, something output I am getting. Whatever it is, forget about it. From the console I am running Java programs also. Java C test dot something goes wrong. Java C command not there means in machine Java problem. Okay, no problem. So any Java program which I am running in the console, that is called as GUI based. GUI means everyone knows about that. Graphical user interface. Application which are running graphical user interface are called as GUI based. Desktop apps. Someone is selling just now MS Paint, calculator, all are. So that is the first one, desktop applications. Next, web application. Web application means, do you know? Everyone knows about that. Nowadays, everyone using the web application. GUI, Gmail, Google, all are the applications which can provide services over the web called as a web application. Which services over the web are called as web application. How to develop these? By using web technologies. We are not developing. Developer, they will take care. By using the servlet, JSP, PHP like that. Do you know web applications can be hosted? Can be hosted on a special computer. Email, where it is available? The application, the web servers are so many are there. That is we don't bother about. Suppose audio connection is lost. Suppose how we can access web application. See, if I want to open Google or I open Gmail or I open SpiceJet, any application, how I am getting all these? Anyone please tell? One browser is required, na? That browser is called as a web client. Remember. So my services over into one server computer that is called as a web server. I can access all the services by using a web client. By using web client, that is called as a browser. As a end user, will send a request and web server will process the request and the sent requested response to the client. The web client, who is a web client? Our browser only. No, you are not a web client, Subhankar. You are the end user. Subhankar, you are end user, not web client. See, Subhankar, every day you are using Gmail. How you are using Gmail? You are the web client? No. How you can access Gmail, Google? Please tell. By using a browser, na? Chrome, Firefox, RIE, something. Browser required or not required? Yes, that is called as a web client. You are end user. Shubhankar is an end user. Shubhankar is using a one web client. The web client is nothing but a browser. Getting it? So web client, what I'm telling you, web client to displays the response to Subhankar. That is the procedure. Because whenever you open Gmail, browser will display to you end user. Google, SpiceJet, whatever is there. So you are the end user. Your web client is a browser, whether Chrome, Firefox, anything. That is called as a web applications. So every web application, the compressed format is there. That is the .var format. .var. Var means web archive file. So all these are taken by developer only. You don't bother about that. Every web application will be represented in a var file form. Var form is WebArchive is compressed file which contains all the resources of web application. That is a web application. We don't using this, but they don't know. But as a tester, we don't know these things. Whether it is a web, desktop, or mobile, anything. Simple. Once again, is it working or not working? That is, we don't bother about that. That is called as a. Next, enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are some more superior than web applications. Simple. Yes. These applications are more superior to web applications. We can develop web application through web technologies like JSP, like that. Example of application. Login pages, OTPs are more superior. In the web file, here format. Simple. As a web application, we have a var format in there. WR var. Next, these applications are the format EA, that is called enterprise. Example, all applications, telecommunication. Next, mobile. You can see no little which contains all the it stopped. Sometimes, yeah, seriously, sometimes maybe the problem go to server, I don't know, some same only. It is stacking only. Chat. Seriously. So I don't know what happened. Suddenly it is stacking screen. Can you hear me? Everyone? Hear me? Yes, okay. That is I'm telling now. Sometimes it is happening. Sometimes it is coming properly. Morning, evening, every class is coming. Evening only I'm using very proper. But no, okay, small topic, mobile applications only. Simple topic only. I'm not typing anything. Mobile applications. So mobile means in your mobile so many apps are there. Everyone knows about that. WhatsApp, PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Book My Show, so many apps are there. In the two categories are there. Native apps, browser apps. Native apps is nothing but without using any browser like Skype, WhatsApp, PhonePe, Google Pay. Without browser, if net is available, we can use. That is called as a native apps. Browser apps are open seleniummahesh.com. Compulsory one browser is required to your mobile. Without browser, no chance. That is called as a browser apps. So mobile apps means more expression not because every day everyone is using the so many mobile apps nowadays. N number of apps are there in the mobile. Without using any browser, with the help of internet, if I am open any application called as a native. With the help of the browser, if I open that is a browser application. So that is the types of applications. My screen was not displaying. In this testing software, system software, application software, desktop, web, enterprise, mobile applications are there. Those things we discussed today. So today some net issues are there, network problems are there. That's why it is proper no communication. Don't bother about that. Okay, sometimes it's happening. You don't feel that. But every day it's not happening like this only. 1 or 2 days. I will give full subject knowledge to you. Any doubts? Vishwajit, Hema Malini, Pramod, Renuka, Varun, Vinay Kumar, Vishwajit, Hema Malini. Next, Renuka, Varun. Yes, Pramod, I will give materials and videos. So definitely, Pramod, because whenever you can free, you can see that every. Yes, yes, definitely. I will give videos, soft copy, everything. I will provide personal Pramod. Don't bother because in life, whenever you're getting doubts, you can listen the video. You can get them. Everything I will give. Please wait 1 or 2 days only. I will give. Okay, na? Definitely, I will give every video and every material. Banking applications, Pankaj. ICICIbank.com, ICICIbank.com. Those are enterprise. More securities are there. If you do transaction, these captures are there. Na, that is called as enterprise applications. ICICIbank.com, ICICIbank.com. All banking applications come under enterprises. Web means suppose Gmail, Google, Yahoo, seleniummahesh.com. Those are web. More advanced than web. Those are called as a enterprise application. Shubham. Can I get the recorded video for the real-time live classes? Yes, definitely you will get the classes and everything. I will give. Whatever class I'm explaining, na, that video I will give. Live class only, Vishwajit, Chakra. You will get the live class and soft copy material. Okay? Okay, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue. Bye everyone. Bye, 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 bye. Shubhankar, Pramod, Hema, bye.